but you'd be blown away. Blown away. Mind blown away. Bam, bam, boom, bam, beam. What am I saying? I have no clue. But what's up, guys? Welcome back to Adventures with Eli. It's been a cool minute since I've been here. But what's up? How's it going? What's new? That's cool. Didn't ask. Alright. But I did just ask. As you guys see by the title, it is not what you think, but it is kind of what you think. I don't know if you guys have been watching any crazy life hacks where they turn 2 pencils and a toothpick into a telephone. It's not gonna be something ridiculously dumb like that. There's a couple of dumb ones. Like, these are actual life hacks that have changed my life. And I was like, you know what? I should just make a video. Some are really obvious and some are like, whoa, like, you're telling me this exists? It does. Use at your own risk. Maybe comment down a life hack below that you do, and then I'll maybe try later. So people who find life hacks, they work smarter, not harder. Sometimes the smartest people are the laziest people, and that's how I personally found out some life hacks. My friends have told me some life hacks, and there's just these ones where you're just like, whoa, that's dope, and I can't believe I've been doing it this way the whole time. This first one we're gonna go into blew my mind because do you ever like pump gas and then you've owned this car for a cool minute and you still don't know which side the gas tank is on, or you're using your friend's car and you don't know what side the gas tank is on, or you rent a car and you don't know what side the gas tank is on and you're like, oh crap, I need to get gas. Well, there's actually this really cool little thing that I recently found out that I didn't even know about, and I kept telling people and they were blown away because they didn't know either. So if you look on your gas tank where your symbol lights up, you'll actually see a little arrow on each side of the gas tank, and whichever side that arrow is on, that's what side your gas tank is on. I don't know, but I was blown away by this. Like, what the heck? That's so genius. I also found out one of my friends was like, yeah, dude, my dad told me that a while ago. And I was like, well, my parents never told me anything. Okay, this life hack sounds so stupid, but it's actually pretty genius because I feel like most people don't know to do this, or they just don't think about it. But you ever see, especially in movies, TV shows, people get out of the shower and then they start drying themselves outside. Life hack, the floor won't get wet if you're dry before you get out. That's why there's always towel racks right next to the shower, so that while you turn off your shower, you're supposed to dry yourself in the shower. I mean, it sounds mind-blowingly dumb and smart at the same time, but you'd be surprised how many people don't dry themselves inside the actual like shower area. They just step out and get the entire floor wet like I used to do. So yeah, I used to be that person, but now I'm not. Hey, this life hack saved my life, especially when I was in Hawaii recently. I was hanging out with my friends Sienna and Matt, and we were taking some photos, and I just got these brand new swimming trunks, and I was swimming out in the water, and after I got out, the trunks gave me a major rash on my inner thigh, and it was burning, and I still had a whole night to go to like hang out, do some other cool things, and as well be in these swimming trunks. I was walking along and I was telling my friend, man, like, my thigh hurts, I just got this rash, and she goes, you know that you could just put arm deodorant over that? And I was like, what? Come again? Arm deodorant? And she's like, yeah, put arm deodorant where the rash is and it'll feel better. And I was like, are you serious? Like, is this real? And then she's like, no, do it. As I went to go change into my regular shorts for like the rest of the night, I put arm deodorant on my inner thigh, and I'm not even kidding you guys, in like 1 minute it started feeling better, and I didn't feel the pain again after that. So then I was like, how did you find this issue out? Like, where did you learn that from? And she was like, oh, I read a stripper's blog about it. Not gonna question it, but I'll take it. This is a super dope life hack that my friends always trip out when they like are looking at my screen, which are keyboard shortcuts. I personally like to not be lazy, so I like to type certain things out. So when I put what are you doing, it'll automatically change to that. Or I'll put where are you at, space, it'll automatically do that. I've done that for deaf, because I still don't know how to spell definitely. So then you just do that, it's real quick. I'm just kidding, I know how to spell definitely. But it's just a faster way of typing. This is how you make a keyboard shortcut. So you're gonna go down to general, and you're gonna go down to your keyboards. Text replacements. So let's add a new one. I'm gonna make up a fake address, and this is normally what I would do. Let's say I live on 5567 YouTube Avenue. So then I'll put 5567 and then I'll hit save. Okay, so I typed a little bit more information. Instead of typing my entire address every single time someone asks for it, I put 5567, boom, and it says I live on YouTube Avenue in Los Angeles, California, 9200001. I made a shortcut where if I tap the @ twice, it'll put my email address, because a lot of people ask for that. Or if I hit the hashtag button 3 times, it'll go to my default favorite hashtags. It's just a really fast, easy way to type and not waste any time. Alright, this one's pretty simple, and I noticed a lot of my friends have this issue, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Also, disclaimer, I'm not an expert in full tech stuff, so don't always try this, but this sometimes helps. Have you ever tried to charge your phone and sometimes the charger just won't fully work? It'll just like kind of go in and then you gotta smuggle it around. You gotta like wish, wash, wash to try to get the thing to work. Well, sometimes it's because there's lint caught up inside your port. And so the best life hack that I've learned is to use toothpicks. So use a toothpick to clean out all the dirt. Sometimes the lint is really compact in there from how many times you've tried shoving your charger port inside. And so you really gotta dig, and you'll notice you'll find all this lint. And so honestly, every 3 months or 4 months, or whenever I go to a fancy restaurant, I grab a toothpick and I like clean out all my ports and I clean out all around and all around. And you'd be surprised how much lint is actually inside your charging port. Again, I don't know about Androids. I'm not an Android user. Sorry. If not, you can go to Apple and they have like the same type of picker that looks just like a toothpick. All the workers usually have it there, and then they're able to clean it out. And let's say you're running out of time and you only have like 5 minutes and you need to still get your life together. You're going on a date and you're like, man, I need to iron my shirt, but I don't have time. Life hack, throw your shirt inside the dryer for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm a pretty prompt person, but sometimes I just run out of time, so I just throw my clothes inside the dryer. I fix my hair, do this and that. I grab all the stuff I need, and then I go to my dryer, take it out, and you'll see your clothes are less wrinkled. Holla! You're welcome for that one. I don't know about you, but I have multiple favorite pairs of pants that I just want to keep buying, and the reason why I would have to buy new pants is because I'll wear these pants, and sometimes if you're a little thick, you know what I mean, or a little bit chubby, or a little bit cool, or you're just, sometimes your pants just do this. When you zip up your pants, the zipper just always falls back down. I've had this issue with about 2 or 3 different pants, and I was like getting really frustrated because people be like, psst, hey, your zipper's down. And I'm like, dang it. Like, I'm not trying to give people a free show. It's just, this is what keeps happening. Life hack. So what I did, and I found on Amazon, it's like super cheap. It was like $3 for like 5 key rings. So all you gotta do is add a key ring to your little zipper. So then you just, boop. So once you zip up, then you do that. You put it there. And then bam! So if you ever see me wear these type of pants, just know that there's a little keyring to keep my zipper from falling down. But honestly, this life hack worked. I don't want to buy new jeans because I love the way these jeans feel. I love the way they're washed. I love how stretchy it is. And all I had to do was just add a little keyring that was on Amazon for like $3. Next life hack is for those little critters like this one right here. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Loves to chew things up. Oh, now you know. You look away. This dog loves to chew. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You ruined my shoes, guys. This is the 3rd shoelace, maybe the 4th shoelace he's done to my shoes. So if you have animals that love to chew on furniture, carpets, he loves to chew all kinds of things up. Or you can use bitter apple cinnamon. They don't like the taste of that, so they won't chew on it. So now I'd be putting that on all my products around my house so that this one down here, where'd he go? That one will not be chewing on any more of my shoelaces, my favorite pairs of clothes. Even my sweaters, he would take all like the zippers, which I can't. He has plenty of toys, so I don't know what his issue is. Okay, this next one's a little bit ghetto, but if you're on the roll and you don't have time for this, let's say you don't have a lint roller and you have to go to this really nice event, but yet you have like dog hairs like I do now and you don't have a lint roller on you, all you gotta do is get tape, put it all over your body, all the lint is gone. Also too, you could do that to your dead skin cells. I know a lot of people used to do that in like elementary school, junior high, and even in high school. It's fun to do, but don't do it too much because it's only gonna do so much and it's not meant for that. But if you're on the go, use tape. If you don't have a lint roller, grab that tape, go psh, 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 and it'll all be gone. Alright guys, here's the last tip. This may sound very dumb, but you'd be blown away. Blown away. Blown. Mind blown away. This one is for people who are trying to lose weight. If you eat healthier, you will lose weight. Oh my god, that's the actual tip. Mic drop, that's it. Alright guys, if you... Okay, I know how dumb this sounds. This sounds dumb, like dumb, but it actually worked. I've lost like 26 body percent fat, and yeah, I'm going to the gym and I'm being a little bit more active, but honestly, when I noticed the real results of me losing weight, it came down to me eating a lot healthier. I've cut out 99% of soda, and now I don't even like the taste of soda. I've cut out a lot of fried or fast food. Doesn't mean I still don't eat it, because I do, but I just cut it down to like maybe once a week. When I started doing all these life hacks, I was mind blown how much easier my life is, and that's what I'm trying to do for you guys. So let's be friends. Follow me on Instagram, check out my Twitter. I'm becoming Twitter famous, but I do think I'm funny on Twitter, and I do retweet some very funny videos. So I hope to see you guys real soon, and I'll be coming out with the video next week for sure. So see you later. All right, I missed you guys. Love ya. Bye.